name's Timothy Lowe, and today we're doing a challenge. It's called the Chicken Fries Hot Challenge. And it does, if you don't like spicy things, if you have them, do not try that at home. Guys, if you ever have chicken fries, please do not try it at home because they're hot as heck.
We're doing it because we just want to do it.
And George claimed we don't drink any water, but
During this whole thing.
Oh my god, that's so stupid. Well, George claimed he doesn't want to drink any water, but I think that's stupid.
No.
Well, if you don't need to fry it, I can get you some water.
Let's go. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, the fry. Bon appetit. I'm scared.
Damn.
See this? Chicken fry?
I'll show them what they look like.
Oh my god.
Did you see that pepper on it? See that?
Oh, the black stuff?
The black stuff is pepper.
Oh my god. Why did they even put pepper in these fries?
They just did. It's starting my tongue is burning.
Oh, okay. I'm afraid to take another bite. Okay. Oh my god.
Spicy.
And I'm afraid to take another bite.
I'm just keep on going. They're good. They taste good.
Yeah, but they're hot. See these black stuff? That's pepper.
Oh my god. Oh crap.
Guys, if you don't know what a chicken fries is, it's this fry and it has pepper on it. The black stuff is pepper.
And it looks like chicken.
Yeah, but they're
Spicy hot.
okay. You know what?
Okay, not yet. Save that for the end.
Yeah, but I'm drink. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I really want to drink this because this is hot. If you don't know what a chicken fry is, it's this, and it has black stuff all over it.
Ooh.
Do you feel it now?
Why did you plan that?
What, me?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't eat all of those, so that's why I planned that. Oh, this is so stupid.
I'm gonna keep on going.
Oh my god. Guys.
It's like the fries against both of us.
Oh my god, I'm afraid to take another bite of this fry, guys. I'm afraid. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh my gosh.
I can't. No,
You're not drinking it?
I'm not drinking it until the end.
Well, you were about to drink it.
I think I'm gonna bring fire out of my mouth. It's gonna be bad. These are spicy hot.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep
Why did
eating
I
them.
even plan that?
We're fine with that, but I accept it.
Why did they ever make chicken fries and put pepper on it?
Teddy, you can actually do this like that.
Does that
Let
even...
your tongue stick out a little bit. Like that. Close it down.
Hey Daddy, we're doing the chicken fries challenge. And they have pepper in it. The black stuff is pepper. Have you ever tried chicken fries?
Yeah, I tried some yesterday.
You want to drink your Pepsi right now?
Yep. Wait, hold on. I gotta get my cup until I get... When it gets hot.
Guys, we can actually drink during this whole thing, okay? Because... Oh my god, that makes it worse. You got it. No. Carbonation makes it worse. Oh my god. Mom. The carbonation makes it worse. God. Judy, the carbonation makes it worse.
I know.
So it makes it worse. Can we get a cup of milk now? This should be gone. Milk. Carbonation makes it worse. Guys, if it burns if you drink soda, the carbonation makes it worse.
It makes it worse.
Yeah, it made it worse for me. Milk helps. God.
Are you continuing?
I'm drinking. I'm continuing. Okay. Carbonation makes it worse. You should not drink Pepsi with it.
Well, too bad.
Oh my God.
I can feel my throat is burning already.
Ow. Sorry, I got French fry shirt mark on. Milk makes it help.
And guys, please don't do this. Please do not do this challenge. This is so dangerous for little kids.
God.
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it.
See, I got milk so I can drink. It makes it more better.
This water makes it worse also.
What? No, water is fine. Carbonation, like soda, when it carbs in your mouth, it makes it worse.
Okay, I'm drinking it. If it makes it worse, then I don't care. I'm just still gonna drink it.
Ooh. Oh, the throat is burning as heck. Ah.
Why do they even have pepper on checker fries?
We only have a few left.
Yeah, good thing, but we still have a lot.
Does it make it worse for you?
Hey, Tim.
No.
Tim. Where'd Daddy go?
He's downstairs.
Sorry, I just bite my tongue. Dude, this should be a challenge gone wrong.
Yeah.
This is going terribly wrong.
Is our sport truck have a fold-up rear seat? Doug Estes wants to know. He's trying to build something.
Trying to what?
Build something. Wants to know if our sport truck has a fold-up rear seat. Is it fold up?
No. I don't know.
Check it out.
Mira, do you want to stop eating them?
Yeah, we're going in the video.
Where's this go?
Let's see.
What? We're done. We're done. We're done. Let's drink a little bit.
It doesn't feel worse on me. I mean, because I always drink a lot of Pepsi, maybe that's why it doesn't hurt me. Okay, guys.
Froze on fire.
Why did they ever put pepper on checker fries? Guys, I'm seriously, do not try this at home. I repeat, do not try this at home. See this?
See that?
God, okay. Okay, guys, that was the end of that video of doing the the extreme checker fries hard challenge. If you want us to do this again, then leave a comment and let us know. Well, I kind of don't, because why fries with pepper on it? Why?
So we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Gosh.
And we're sending that to YouTube.